Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by if this is your first time here. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Lux, a channel that is dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today it's a continuation of my pink drawstring bag Chanel unboxing. A few of you asked that I would show what actually fits in this bag. So I want to show you that a lot fits in this bag. Today is also a small unboxing of something else good to go in that bag. So if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am back and today we are talking about this beauty right here. And so I did an unboxing and I want to show what actually fits in this bag. If you did not see the original video, I will try to link it. I'm still kind of learning this, but I will try to link that video so that you can see the actual unboxing. But today I will show what actually fits in this bag. So first, let's do my small unboxing. I just love how Chanel always wraps everything so beautiful. So as I was telling you guys, August 2nd is my birthday and I celebrate and spoil myself the entire month. Hey, every year that we make it on this earth is a blessing and you should be celebrated. Always take time to celebrate yourself, okay? We only have one life to live. So in this is just the booklet. And here it is. For some reason, I'm not sure, I've never purchased a card holder before, but it did not come with a bag, or I guess a storage bag. I don't know. So I chose this pink color to match my bag. I also liked, because she kind of gave me a bunch of options, and I picked this one because it had a zip closure, which I liked, and it had more card slots. It actually has 3, and on the other ones that she showed me, they had 2. Okay, and it also has one in the front. So let's see everything that will fit in this beauty. So I have a work bag, and it's an everyday bag that I don't really like use, you know, my luxury items in it. I just have a Kate Spade wallet, and I have and also have this wallet I also take. So I would like to see if I could just put my everyday wallet in here. Okay. Okay, and the wallet, it fits perfectly. Let's see if this will fit, and this is a good size. Let's try to do the other wallet first. Okay, now that goes in. All right, now let's see if I can stick this in as well. And it goes. So if I start out with that one, can you see? Yes. Okay. Now they're in there. It's a little snug. It's a little snug. But it does fit. It does fit. All right, so I'm going to take out these things. Now let's try my Louis Vuitton key clip, my new card holder, my Chanel, and I think this is an old case is what it's called. Okay. My Chanel card case. My glasses or my shades. And one more thing. These are my AirPods. And my phone. All right, so all of that went inside this bag. I will tighten it, and everything really fits. Okay. So, I don't know, a lot of stuff can fit in here, guys. If you're thinking about this bag, or if I've kind of sparked your interest, I am really happy with how much stuff does go in this bag. So, that concludes my video. If you made it to the end of this video and you like my content, I would ask that you would please subscribe and also like my video. YouTube has some type of algorithm on likes and if they would recommend my video. So I would really appreciate your support and your likes. If you are subscribed, if you share, and I just really appreciate all of the love from everyone, and also the comments in my last video. And you guys have a great rest of the week. Thank you, and you be blessed.